Hey everybody, it's Spencer with Barwood Cabinets. We're going to be doing a new training series videos for you, and every Monday morning we're going to send out a video on Monday morning mistakes dealing with cabinets. Today we thought the best one to start out with for this series would be fillers. We see mistakes all the time where people don't use fillers when they should or use them when they shouldn't. And so we wanted to go over exactly why they're going to be used, how they're going to be used, and maybe sometimes when you don't use them. So the filler, it comes in 3 inches, 6 inches. You can get it in different widths, or you can get it 3/6 and rip it down to whatever size you need. They're usually 3/4 inches thick, and it's solid wood. When you use a filler, you will attach it to a cabinet. The face frame of the cabinet or side of the cabinet will be attached to the filler, and it will use as a spacer between two different depths of items. So if I have a cabinet next to a wall, and the wall is deeper than my cabinet, I would use a spacer or filler between the two items. If my two cabinets like we have here, I have a bookcase and I have a wall cabinet. The wall cabinet is not as deep as the bookcase. So if I don't use a spacer or a filler, my door is going to hit the protruding part of this bookcase. If I had used a spacer right here, in between the two, that would have pulled this cabinet over so I could get the full swing of this door opening without it hitting. With this hitting, now the door will become damaged over time and will have to be repainted or replaced, one or the other. Also at drawers, we have a regular standard full height door base cabinet here. We have a stack of drawers right next to it. The stack of drawers is not as deep as the cabinet next to it. If I don't use a spacer or a filler, they hit. I do not get, there's a rubbing and a hitting right there. So if I do not get the spacer put in, which it should have been right here in between the two, that would have given me enough clearance where I could open my drawer without ever hitting that side. So when using a filler, it attaches to the side of your cabinet up at the front of the face frame. And then also, you want to use it anytime you have a different depth in the cabinet. There are many other uses of fillers, but this is the most used way, and we will go over the other ones later on. Hope this helps you out with fillers. Please call us if you have any questions, and we'll see you next Monday.